how much should you actually spend on a TDS meter? You see people happy with the cheap ones, but the expensive ones end up back on the shelf. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, 2025 all-new 4-in-1 TDS meter. Let's kick things off with the 2025 all-new 4-in-1 TDS meter. For just $8.98, this little gadget caught my eye with its promise of accuracy in testing drinking water, RO systems, and even aquariums. If you want reliable and straightforward water testing, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It measures TDS, EC, and temperature from 0 to 9,999 ppm, which is perfect for ensuring your drinking water is clean. You can trust the readings for your home, so you don't have to worry about what you're drinking. Plus, with over 9,000 units sold in the past month, it's clearly a popular choice among buyers. Now, some people complained about the lack of a backlit display. Here's the thing though, if you're testing water in a well-lit area, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's still a great entry-level option for anyone looking to monitor their water quality. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly, no-fuss solution for checking your water quality at home. Skip this one if you're looking for advanced features like Bluetooth connectivity. For under $10, it offers solid value for money. Now, if the display issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Verify Instant 4-in-1 TDS meter. The Verify Instant 4-in-1 TDS meter, priced at $9.97. What grabbed my attention here is its compact design and fast digital readings. If you want a reliable tester that's easy to use, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Verify meter measures TDS, EC, and temperature quickly, thanks to its titanium alloy probe. It gives you readings in seconds, which is what you want if you're monitoring your aquarium or RO system regularly. The backlit LCD display makes it easy to read, even in low light. With over 4,000 units sold recently, it's clear that people love its speed and functionality. Now, some users mentioned the probe can be a bit fragile. Here's the thing though, if you handle it carefully, it should last you a long time. Plus, it comes with a digital TDS guide, which is an excellent added bonus for those new to water testing. This is perfect for you if you want something that's both professional grade and user-friendly. Skip this one if you need a meter that's waterproof or extra rugged. Overall, it's a solid investment for anyone serious about water quality. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need something a little more upgraded. Product number 3, Honey Forest TDS meter. Let's talk about the Honey Forest TDS meter, which comes in at $13.97. I really liked the emphasis on accuracy and reliability here. If you want a dependable tester that can handle various situations, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This meter uses a premium titanium alloy probe and an intelligent chip for high accuracy. It measures TDS, EC, and temperature, giving you a complete picture of your water quality. The upgraded large backlit LCD makes it easy to see the readings in any light. With over 2,000 sold recently, it's gaining traction for good reason. Now, some users pointed out that it can take a bit longer to stabilize readings. Here's the thing though, once it does, the accuracy is top-notch, and it can be worth the wait for peace of mind about your water quality. This is perfect for you if you're serious about testing drinking water, aquariums, or hydroponics. Skip this one if you want a simple one-function tester. For the price, you get a lot of functionality and accuracy, making it a solid buy. Alright, if you're looking for something even more portable and easy to use, the next one might just hit the spot. Product number 4, P-Mulb TDS Water Tester. The P-Mulb TDS Water Tester, priced at $9.99. I was impressed by its portable design and quick calibration features. If you want something you can take anywhere and trust for quick tests, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This tester uses a titanium alloy probe for accurate TDS readings, and it auto-calibrates based on water temperature. It's lightweight, making it easy to carry around, which is perfect if you're traveling or frequently checking different water sources. With over 1,000 sold in the last month, it's proving to be a convenient option for many. Now, some people found that it can turn off too quickly if left idle. Here's the thing though, that just helps save battery life, and with a quick press of a button, you're back in action. This is perfect for you if you need something portable for drinking water, pools, or aquariums. Skip this one if you prefer meters with more advanced features. For under $10, it's a good balance of convenience and accuracy. Now, if you want something a bit more straightforward and budget-friendly, this next one might catch your interest.
Product number 5. New 4-in-1 TDS meter. We have the new 4-in-1 TDS meter, which is the most budget-friendly option at $7.99. It's straightforward, but promises accuracy for essential testing needs. If you want something basic yet reliable, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This meter measures TDS, EC, and temperature up to 9,990 ppm, catering to your basic water testing needs without breaking the bank. It's designed to be user-friendly, perfect for anyone new to water testing. With over 1,000 sold recently, it's a popular choice for those just starting out. Now, some users reported its build quality could feel a bit cheap. Here's the thing though, for the price, you're getting essential functionality that covers most casual testing needs without a hefty investment. This is perfect for you if you're just dipping your toes into water testing and don't want to spend much. Skip this one if you want advanced features or a premium feel. It's a fantastic entry-level option that doesn't sacrifice too much on quality.
So, there you have it, 5 TDS meters that range from budget-friendly to a bit more feature-packed. If you want basic functionality, the new 4-in-1 TDS meter is a solid choice. For something a bit more accurate, the Honey Forest or Verify meters could be your go-tos. And if portability is your thing, the PeemLib and Verify options have you covered. Pick one that fits your needs and you'll be set for keeping your water quality in check.